Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top. Just a double swipe down and you will see all your toggles, and between some of them, or between them, you will see a power saving mode. So once you see this toggle, you can simply press on it to enable your power saving mode. It lowers the brightness just a little bit, as you've seen, and there's probably other things happening in the background, but because Samsung decided not to give you any kind of information of what it's doing in the background to, well, power save, I don't think I should be going out of my way to explain this or just guess, because I could be incorrect. So one thing that is for certain, brightness did change, and well, that's all I can verify. Other than that, Samsung, just give us an info what you're actually doing with power saving mode. And yeah, so anyway, that is how you would turn it on. Now, once you're done with it, you're gonna just turn it off, find the toggle once more and tap on it once again, and this will disable it. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.